Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and get into a Saturday morning reset after a very busy week.
I'ma be happy, I'ma be good, you better believe it. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good, get that understood. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good, you better believe it. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good, get that understood.
Today I decided that while Jeremiah is having his milk early in the morning, that I would start us off with some breakfast. We ended up having eggs and strawberries. I've been trying to make sure I implement certain foods that have allergens in them just to introduce Jeremiah to them. And I've been searching everywhere for bowls that have suctions in them so Jeremiah doesn't knock food around. Found these ones by Munchkin. They're not very great, but they do the job. So while Jeremiah is getting ready to eat, or supposed to be eating, I try to sneak away and just get some cleaning done. That doesn't typically happen as a mommy. I'm still trying to find my balance between watching baby and cleaning. He's at that stage right now where he needs to see me all the time. So you'll see him peek around the corner just to see what I'm doing. And, you know, the show must go on. I have to keep cleaning so we can have a nice clean house. I like to keep this little basket in the living room. It just has my essentials in it, like Tylenol, diapers, wipes, extra pacifiers, moisturizer oils, lotion, teething gels, and diaper creams. I like to also listen to something a little motivational while I clean. So sometimes I'll repeat an old church service while I clean and just listen to that. one thing I've definitely learned while being a mommy is that sometimes we can't clean the house in one sitting, and sometimes it requires us to clean in sections throughout the day. So by the time it's nighttime, you might just be getting around to doing the bathrooms or starting the laundry. It's just simple tasks that may take an hour or two. You notice that it takes you all day to get done, but hey, that's mom life. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like these cleaning videos, let me know down below in the comments. Maybe I'll make more. But make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time.